In the last video we discussed about equations of motion under gravity, and here now we will discuss about weight. Weight of an object. So normally we are having some misconcept regarding weight and mass. Instead of mass we used to use it as weight. Both are entirely different. But in daily life we used to say that mass and weight are same, like that we used to say. If someone will ask, instead of asking what is your mass, if someone will ask what is your weight, no doubt you will say that 50 kg, 60 kg and so on. But actually that is not the weight, that is mass. So you should know what is meant by weight. Weight means it is the force with which an object is attracted towards the center of the earth. Since we are on this earth, we are living on earth, we are on the earth, we can say that weight is the force of attraction, or the force with which an object is attracted towards the center of the earth, that is known as weight. Okay. Weight we can define the force with which an object is attracted towards earth. If we are on Jupiter, what we have to say about weight? Weight is the force with which we are attracted towards Jupiter. Okay, in that way it will be changing. Since we are on earth, we are telling that the force with which an object is attracted towards earth, that is known as weight of the object. Okay, so weight, we will write it as W. So that weight is represented by the letter W. So weight is equal to force and with which an object is attracted towards earth. So we can write that is equal to Gmm by R square. Or we can write, instead of that we can write G into mass of the earth into M. What is M? Mass of the object divided by RE square. ME is the mass of the earth and RE is the radius of the earth. Okay. Or if you want GME by RE square, already we discussed, that is acceleration due to gravity. So instead of that, if we want, we can write acceleration due to gravity. So we can write, but weight is equal to M into G. So whether weight and mass both are same, mass is equal to M, weight is equal to mg. So both are entirely different things. So we will find which are the differences between mass and weight. Mass and weight. So first of all we can write the definition only. What is meant by mass? Mass is the quantity of matter and what is weight? Just here written definition, same definition you can write, the force with which an object is attracted towards earth, that is known as weight. And second difference we can write, mass remains same wherever you go, your mass remains same. Okay, but weight varies from place to place. Varies from place to place. Why? Why it varies from place to place? Because acceleration due to gravity or this. No, if we are on earth, acceleration due to gravity will be one value and that also is not same. I told you, if we vary from pole to equator itself, acceleration due to gravity changes. So as we move from one place to another, this weight of the object changes, but mass remains same. If we are on earth, we will have one weight. If we go to moon, we will have another weight. If we go to Venus, we will have another weight. But our mass remains same wherever we go. Okay. Then next difference, unit. What is the unit of mass? Unit mass is represented SI unit, we can write, standard unit. Okay. SI unit of mass is kilogram. And here what is the unit of weight? What is weight? It is the force. So what is the unit of force? Whichever force is there, whether it is gravitational force, any force, it is the force. So what is the unit of force? In the previous chapter we discussed, no? Unit of force is Newton. So here here we can write Newton unit. Unit of weight is Newton, unit of mass is kilogram. And next difference, we can say that mass remains same, weight varies from place to place, already discussed. Next difference we can write, it is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means no direction. Mass remains same. If you are looking eastward, westward, northward, whatever it is, it remains same because it is how much quantity is inside that only indicated by the mass. But weight is a vector quantity. Why it is a vector quantity? It is a force. So no doubt it will be a vector quantity. Okay. So these are the differences between mass and weight. So you should now clearly, I think you should understood what is the difference between mass and weight. Mass remains same but weight varies from place to place. First definition, mass is a scalar quantity. Mass is the quantity of matter, weight is the force with which an object is attracted towards earth. Then units you can say, and then scalar and vector quantity. Okay. So these are the differences between mass and weight. Now we can find weight of an object on earth, already we discussed, and we can find the weight of the object on moon. We can compare both. Okay. So for the comparison of weight of an object on earth and moon, data are given. For the earth, mass is given 5.98 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram, and radius of the earth is given 6.37 into 10 raised to 6 meters. Similarly for moon, it is given 7.36 into 10 raised to 22 kilogram, and its radius is given 1.74 into 10 raised to 6 meters. We have to compare the weight of the object on moon and weight of the object on earth. Okay. So we can write weight of the object in moon, that we are writing it as W suffix m to show that weight of the object in moon, that is given by G into mass of moon into mass of the object divided by radius of moon square. Okay. Clear? Similarly, weight of the object on earth. Same way we can write G into mass of earth into mass of the object. Mass of the object remains same. Whether object is on the surface of earth or on the moon, I told you mass of the object remains same. Here M stands for the, you can write here. M stands for the mass of the object. Radius of earth square. So two equations are there. We can divide 1 by 2. So what you will get? Equation 1 divided by 2. So weight of the object on moon divided by weight of the object on earth is equal to G M into M divided by Rm square. Don't get confused. This M suffix M stands for the mass of the object on moon. Sorry, mass of the moon, and this M stands for the mass of the object. Okay. So this stands for the mass of the object. This stands for the radius of the object, mass of the earth, and radius of the earth. Okay. So M by Rm square into Re square divided by G into M. This divided by this so that you can multiply with its reciprocal. Okay. Now G and M will get cancelled. What you will get? Weight of the object on moon divided by weight of the object on earth is equal to mass of the object on moon divided by mass of the object on earth into radius of earth square divided by radius of moon square. All data are given. From that table you can substitute. So if you substitute mass of moon is given, what is moon's mass, what it is given? 7.36 into 10 raised to 22 divided by mass of earth, it is given 5.98 into 10 raised to 24 into radius of earth, it is given 6.37 into 10 raised to 6 whole square divided by 1.74 into 10 raised to 6 whole square. Okay, is it clear? So you can do that calculation. So weight of the object on moon divided by weight of the object on earth, you can write it as 7.36 into 10 raised to 22, 10 raised to 24, it will become 10 raised to minus 2, no, and 10 raised to 6 square will get cancelled into 6.37 into 6.37 divided by this into 1.74 into 1.74 into 10 raised to minus 2. Remaining will get cancelled. 10 raised to 22 by 10 raised to 24, you will get it as 10 raised to minus 2. 10 raised to 6 square will get cancelled. Okay. So you can simplify it. When you simplify, you will get it as approximately 0.165, or that is equal to 1 by 6. So we can write weight of the object on moon will be 1 by 6 weight of the object on earth. Okay, is it clear? So weight of the object on moon is equal to 1 by 6 weight of the object on earth. Weight of the object on moon by weight of the object on earth is equal to 1 by 6, or we got weight of the object on moon is equal to 1 by 6 weight of the object on earth. We know that weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So we can write mass into acceleration due to gravity on moon is equal to 1 by 6 into mass into acceleration due to gravity of earth. So what we got? Acceleration due to gravity on moon is equal to 1 by 6 acceleration due to gravity due to earth. Okay, acceleration due to gravity is lesser on the surface of moon in comparison with on the earth. That's why there is less atmosphere, or we can say that no atmosphere is present because of its less acceleration due to gravity. All gases will escape because of it. There is no atmosphere on moon. Okay, is it clear? So because why it happens? Because acceleration due to gravity is very, very small. If you find 9.8 by 6, you can see that what is the value? It will be very small, because of which we can say that there is less atmosphere or absence of atmosphere on moon because of this only. Okay, understood? No? And now we can solve one or two problems based on this. The weight of an object of mass 10 kg. Find the weight of an object of mass 10 kg. So how to find? We know that weight is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is given. Mass is equal to 10 kg. And what is weight? Weight we have to find. Acceleration due to gravity is, since if it is not given, we can take it as 9.8 meters per second square. If it is given, you can take it. Sometimes they may give. For easier calculation, they will give it as 10. So you can substitute. Otherwise, you have to take it as 9.8 meter per second square itself. Okay. So W is equal to mg. So we can write m is 10. G is 9.8. So what you will get? 9.8 into 10. 98. What is a unit? Unit is Newton. Okay. Is it clear? Now we will discuss the next problem. Mass and acceleration. Find the mass and, sorry, not acceleration. Find the mass and weight of an object. Weight of an object on the surface of moon if the weight of the object on the surface of Earth is 60 Newton. So we have to find the mass and weight of an object on the surface of Moon if its weight on the surface of Earth is 60 Newton. So what we have to find? We have to find the weight. So we know that weight of object on Moon by weight of object on Earth is equal to 1 by 6. No. Weight of object on the surface of Moon to weight of object on the surface of Earth is 1 by 6. So we can write weight of object on Moon is equal to 1 by 6 into weight of object on Earth, or we can write 1 by 6 into 60, which is equal to 10. Weight we got 10. Now what we have to find? We have to find the mass. So we can find by two ways. We can find mass is equal to, by directly we can using this. W is equal to 60 Newton, it is given. So M into acceleration due to gravity is equal to 60. So M is equal to 60 divided by 9 voltage. Okay. So this is the mass of the object. This is the mass of the object. Okay, 6 point something you will get. Okay, 6 point something. That is the mass of the object on Earth or Moon, anywhere the mass remains same. Okay, is it clear? So this is the way of solving problems based on weight and acceleration due to gravity of Earth and acceleration due to gravity of Moon. So already we discussed about free fall. No, object is falling under gravity. So if we are dropping two objects, one is lighter and another one is heavier, which object will reach first? No doubt the heavier object will reach first. No. Because of air is present, because of air friction. But in the absence of air or less air is present, or in vacuum, if we are dropping two objects, one feather and one stone or something, if we are dropping, the two objects will reach at the same time. Why? Only gravity is present. Okay, no air resistance will be there, no air friction will be there, no opposing force is there. Only because of weight it is falling down, because of gravity it is falling down. So both objects will reach at the same time in the absence of air. Okay, is it clear? So today we discussed about what is meant by mass and what that already you have studied, what is meant by weight and how weight varies from one place to another place, and how what is the difference between mass and weight, and we can compare weight on the surface of Earth and on the surface of Moon. And already we discussed Moon has no atmosphere because of acceleration due to gravity is very small. Because of that, less gravitational force will be there and hence no atmosphere will be there for Moon. Okay, and we discussed one or two problems based on this. I hope all of you understood it. If you are having any doubt, you can contact me.